Hi everyone, in this video we are going to discuss finding square root using long division method. Okay, so we have discussed the prime factorization method, we have discussed the successive subtraction of the odd natural numbers. Now it is the third method, that is the square root using division method. Sometimes it is called long division method. Okay, so discuss it, we will discuss it, what is this and how to find it. Here we have taken some examples, and here you can see we are finding the square root of 529. So one thing that we should take into account before solving the things, that we have to make the pair. The essential thing is pairing the element where it is 4096. So let us see how to pair. We write first it as 4096. Okay, so if we write 4096, we have to pair it from back. So now we have two bar sign. Okay, so we will see, if we take the square root of this number, so it will containing two digits. Okay, so here the 64 is the square root of this number. Okay, so it is containing two digits. Okay, for example, again here you can see that is the 529 is containing three digits and containing two bars, 1 over 29 and 1 over 5. So the square root is containing, because we are having two bar, so square root will contain two digits. Okay, similarly if we see here, uh, it is a number, that is 14,400. If we pair it from back, so it is the first pair, it is the second pair, and it is one which is single, it is not in pair. Although we have three bar, okay, 1 2 and 3, so the square root of this number will contain 3 bar. Okay, so one thing is about pairing, and it is now clear to you. So we can see, if we solve the question here, and it is asked us to what will be the number of digits in the square root of this number. All we have to do is we have to pair this element from back. Okay, so on pairing we have got 3 bar sign, so square root will contain 3 bar. If we take the square root of this number, it will containing 3 digits. Okay, similarly if we take this number, it is quite large, so all we have to do is we have to just pair the element from back. It is first, it is second pair, now it is third pair, it is fourth pair, and it is a single one. Okay, now we can see we are having the 1 2 3 4 and 5. We have 5 bar, so we will see the square root will containing the 5 digits. Okay, similarly if you pair this, we will get 3 bar. So now you are able to find how many numbers will be there in that digits in the square root of 36,864. Now let us try and try to find out the square root of 729 using long division method. Okay, so it is done here. I will explain it to you in a simple word. All you have to do is you have to focus here. So first we will write 729. Okay, so then writing the 729 like this, we will write it here, that is 729. So now we will pair it from back. Okay, and now on pairing, that we will put some uh, sign here like this. Okay, now this we will take this 7. Okay, and we will divide it, or we will subtract the square number from it. So the first number, square number is 4, and second square number is, sorry, first is 1, second square number is 4, third square number is 9. So 9 is larger and 4 is smaller than the 7, so we will take 4, and 4 is 2 square, so we will write as like this, 2 2 is 4. Okay, we will write it as 2 2 is 4. We can't write, if we are writing it is as 3, so we will write is 3 3 is 9. Okay, if we are writing it is as 4, we have to write 4 4 is 16. Okay, this is how it is done. So we will take only the square number like this, 2 2s are 4, okay, or 3 3s are 9. So in the similar way you have to write the number. So we will write it as 2 2s are 4. So now we will subtract it and we will get 3. So we will now copy. So on subtracting here we got 3, and now we will copy the next pair, that is 29 here, and we have copied it here, okay. So what do we get on copying this? We got 329. This is a new number for us. Now look at the quotient over here, it is 2, okay. Now in the next step we have to double the quotient, and on the doubling the quotient 2 we will get 4, okay, and we will write it here, that is 4, okay. So if write 4 over here, we have to put some gap here, and the same number will be copied in the both places. And now the thing is how to write the numbers here. If you write 3, so you have to write 3. So now you have to multiply, that is this number, that is 43, by using this new number, that is 3. That means the same number will come here and here, okay. If you write it as 4, you have to write it as 4, okay, like this. So now we will try to solve it using some numbers. For example, if we take 6, okay, and 6, we know 6 6 are 36, okay. Now we have just copied here, and now 6 6 are 36 and carries 3, and 6 4 are 24, and 3 is 25. So 256, but 256 is smaller. We will try for the larger one, okay. Let's try for the larger one, and we see if we write 7 over here, and we have to write the same over 7 over here. So 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, carry 4, and 7 4s are 28, and 28 plus 4, that is 32. So now the quotient is 0, here it is 0, and we have written here 47 multiplied by 7 is equals to 329. So 27 is the new quotient over here, and since we have got 0 remainder, that means the 27 will be the square root of this number. As you can see here, that is 729 roots to 27. So it is easy to find out. Now let's try to find out for the larger number, that is 1296. First you will write the number here, okay, and then you will pair it from back, and we will get two pairs. So you can see the numbers will be then there will be two numbers, okay. Now you will take the first number 12, and you will try to solve the first pair, that is 12. And now you know 3 3 is 9 and 4 4 is 16. So 16 is larger, so we will take the smaller, that is 9. So we will write it as 3 3 is a 9, okay. So 3 3 is a 9, okay, and we will subtract this 9 and we will get 3. Now we will copy the next pair, that is 96, and it become 396. Now we will double this quotient 3, and it doubles to 6, okay. Now it is double to 6, and now we have got 6, and we have to multiply these same numbers over here. If we write it as 3, we have to multiply it by 3. So 3 3 is a 9, 3 6 is 18. So it is a smaller number. We will try for the larger one, okay. For the larger number, if we write it as for 6, okay, if you write for 6 similarly, so 6 6 is 36 and carry 3, 6 6 is 36, 3 39, and we got 396. So 396 is here, so we will write 6 and 6 here. So this 6, if we multiplied by 6, we will got 396. On subtracting, we got answer 0. So we will say that is the square root of 1296 is 36. So this is how we use to find the square root of this number.